Yo, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy, Ill Will, back on the Madden. We are starting up my mutt, and you can see right now, this team is disgusting. Yucky. Sheesh. We got Kyle Trask, we got all these bums out here that I am going to be opening up all my packs and seeing what we can do. I got a bunch of packs pre-ordering and stuff like that. So let's see what we can get. So we have 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 packs to go through. So let's get it started. Okay, we checking some heat. Welcome superstars, okay. Ooh, we got Russ and Vonnie Boy. Okay. Oh, okay, I gotta pick. Dang, I didn't even pick. I feel like I'll come across a better QB. Sorry, Russ.
You dick.
I'm gonna take Von. Okay. Let's get into the next one. Veteran loyalty. Like Kendrick said, loyalty. Let's get it. Let's see what we get here. Okay, well, we got another pick. So we got Zeke, AJ Brown, Richie, Akeem Hicks. Ooh, my bear boy. Okay. I feel like I'm gonna need a line. So I'm gonna take Richie. Okay. Okay, we moving along. The presentation of the pack open is slight. So we got another picture. Khalil Sack. Yes, sir. Joshy. Vaughn again. Miles Garrett. Levante David. D-Hop. Joey Bosa. Tyrann Mathieu. Quentin Nelson. Amari Cooper. Who is that I just went to? Mike Gesicki. Fletcher Cox. Calvin Ridley. Let's just go through. Oh, no, this is way too many. Alright, let's see. Harrison Smith, TJ Russ again. That's a better Russ than we originally had. Ooh, okay. Got it. Had to. Yep. I'll take Chase. Brady Mahomes, Power Up Fantasy. Okay, this is a reward for pre-ordering. Pat Mahomes or Brady. I'm taking Pat, please and thank you. I'm sorry, Tom. Time is over. So we'll figure out what we can do to upgrade this, I'm pretty sure. We'll see. I'll see what's to that later. Momentarily. Cover athlete content. More pre-order stuff.
I just like the sound of it.
Hey, I'm gonna go with Pat again just cause. So I'm assuming we get. Ooh, sheesh. Don't mind if I do. Yes, sir. So we can go ahead and sell that last one. So we get a gold card here. Okay, this ain't nothing. We get the pick. Let's go with. Let's go with the Cardinal. Let me see what I get from the cards. That's mid. Disappointing.
I just like the
So we get to pick 10 teams that we want. Okay. Okay, I'm going with the Bears here. Robert Quinn is that? Okay, Christian Jones. Alright. Buns. We're gonna go through these since we all know they all gonna be mid. Ooh, okay. Okay, no, that's still mid. It's just card art. We'll probably be able to upgrade that.
I just like the sound.
Cole Beasley. Okay, that's some heat. Okay, so I'm going through, seeing what's what. Okay. Didn't mean to do that. So after we open these up, I'm gonna go through and check my sets, see what I can and can't do, sell some stuff, give me some coin, and I might buy a couple packs. We'll see. Woo! Keanu Neal. Okay, we getting some slight heat in this. Some slight heat. Not major. No major key alerts or nothing, but we getting some slight. See if I could finesse Lamar out of this.
I just like
No, not even close. Let's go back and grab another Bears pack. Let's see what we can get out of that. Okay. We got two more. Who should I grab? Is it anybody that I didn't go to yet? I think. Did I do the Browns? Yes, I did. I didn't do Tampa Bay yet, I don't think. Let's see what we can get here. Ryan Jensen, gotta throw him in the lineup. Power him up somehow. Yeah, for sure. Uno más. Alright. Let's see. What we gonna spend the last on? Let's do the Hawks. Let's see what the Hawks got for me. Maybe I can get a Jamal or something. Nope. Okay. I'll be back. Alright, so we about to buy a couple of Elite Fantasy packs and see what it'll do for your boy. Okay, so we get one pick. Middle linebacker or punter? I'll take the middle linebacker. Promote. Okay. We can only get one more. Okay. Well. I would like a receiver or a running back. Miles Jack on the Dominican Sue. Ooh. I got David Montgomery, and Leonard Fournette ain't that much of an upgrade, so I think I'm gonna take my boy.
What the hell are you?
Okay, we about to get a superstar pack. Alright, nothing spectacular here. No, nothing superstar-y about any of that. I get 4 picks here. Okay, well. See a 69, so I'm gonna take you to 66, a 65, and a 64. I'll take all you bums. Jeffrey Simmons, Cole Kmet, Marcus Peterson. Definitely need corner out there.
I just like
Okay. That's a decent fact. Now let's go back and see what we got now. We're gonna generate best team. $77. Okay.
Getting the team right. I'll see y'all next time.